Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a Maserati Ghibli in neutral. This process is straightforward when the vehicle's power systems are operational. For routine neutral selection, you will primarily interact with the electronic gear selector. It is crucial to keep your foot on the brake throughout these steps for safety. We will cover both moving into neutral from drive and from reverse, ensuring you understand the simple actions required. To shift into neutral from drive, first ensure your foot is firmly pressing the brake pedal. Then, with the gear selector in the drive position, gently push it forward one single click. Remember, you do not need to press the small trigger button on the back of the shifter for this action. The vehicle's display will then clearly indicate that you are in neutral, allowing for easy movement or brief stops. Similarly, if you are currently in reverse and need to engage neutral, the procedure is quite simple. Maintain firm pressure on the brake pedal. From the reverse position, gently pull the gear selector backward by one click. Just like when shifting from drive, there is no need to press the trigger button. Your instrument panel will then show that the transmission is in neutral, ready for your next action. In situations where the vehicle has no power, such as a dead battery, a manual neutral release is necessary. You will find an access panel on the driver's side floorboard near the center console. Carefully remove this cover to expose a small lever or strap. Pull this mechanism firmly to engage neutral, which is essential for towing or moving the vehicle without power. Always exercise caution when using this emergency procedure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.